Now this was back some time ago, and we're out here at the pond, just getting some laps down, building your skill level up, and what have you. And this is a Horror Racing hull, 51 inch. I got a 29.5 Zenoah gas engine. It's not a nitro engine. These engines put out around, I don't know, upwards. There's a lot of, back in the day, this is a while back, there's a lot of discussion on how much horsepower, but I do know the RPM range is around 17 to 18,000. Now that's the IV bag that we put the gas in. This is a Walboro WYK33 pumper carburetor. Because we run an IV bag, you have to pump the gas out of it. That is a spark plug. This is a two-stroke gas and oil mix engine, usually in weed eaters and leaf blowers. Now this is the header clamp. You'll slide the pipe up and down the header to fine-tune to get the most power and most RPMs that you can out of it. And it is water-cooled, and it has to be. These little engines rev crazy amounts. They're pork chop cranks, single. Now this is a pulse line going down to the block. That's what pumps the carburetor. So it has to have a pulse line, and that's what that is. So we're just here, like I said, building up some time. This is a long time ago when I used to race these things.